everyone, this is Sharon from Sharonatsea, and as some of you may know, I love to travel and I love to cruise, and one thing that's really important to me is having the proper luggage to travel with. And I was really excited when I was contacted by a company that sells on Amazon, GoPenguin, and they asked me to review a piece of their carry-on luggage. And I said, sure, I would love to do that. And you know, if we really like it, I'll share it with others. So here I am. I have checked this luggage out and I love it. And I can't wait to show you all the great features it has. So let's get started here. First, one really cool thing is it comes in this really cool canvas bag here for storage. So it has kind of cinches shut here. So if you have to store your luggage maybe in a closet or in the garage or something, it comes in really handy, really nice. So let's kind of unveil this here. So it does come in many colors. This Atlantic blue, it's kind of like a navy blue. It comes in red, forest green, white, gray, and black at this time. So they gave me an option. I chose the dark blue here because we're gonna let our son use this one and he likes blue. So we went with the blue, but the other colors are really pretty also. So let's take this out and kind of show you here. One thing I will say is it does meet the TSA and IATA approved requirements. It is 22 by 22.5 inches long. It is 14 across and 9 in the depth there. So it's a great size. One thing that I will say up front is it does not have an expandable zipper though. So it may not be the greatest for an overpacker, but it does meet the requirements and is the perfect size for a carry-on. It is 100% German made, and it is made of a Makrolon polycarbonate, and it is tough. I mean, this thing can take a lot of banging around and not get all scuffed up and things like that. It has a nice matte finish, which also kind of helps prevent scuffing and show any kind of markings on it. It has a really cool TSA approved lock, and also the zippers here are they set nicely and flushed with it. You can just open it up very simple like that. So that's cool. It has a really nice handle here, and I don't know if you can see the camera, but it will adjust way up high and go down as well. So no matter if you are tall, you are short, it's for a child or an adult, it will fit anyone of any size. Another very high quality feature it includes are the wheels. They are Hinomoto silent 360 spinner wheels, and they are made in Japan, and they are very high quality. GoPenguin also includes a return policy and a warranty, and it is included in the little the description in the little book that comes inside of the luggage. Also, the book tells you how to set up your little lock here on the top and all that good stuff. Has lots of information in it. So now let's unzip this little bad boy here and take a look at the inside. I love how there's so much space in this carry-on. One side has a flap with a buckle closure, and the other side has full zipper coverage. This is great whether you are packing your clothes kind of traditionally or using packing cubes. Both sides have mesh zipper pockets, and they are great for storing any of those small items, things like maybe even your undergarments, socks, jewelry, any of those little incidentals you may be packing and bringing along with you. When you open the bag, the center hinge is very strong and durable. I gotta tell you, I am a big fan of this GoPenguin carry-on. I would highly recommend this to anyone who is looking for an awesome carry-on. Maybe they travel carry-on only, or maybe you just need a carry-on addition to your other luggage pieces. This is just a great addition for your travels. At this time, it is selling for $129.99. And I will put a link in the description box below where you can purchase this. And if you use the coupon code attached, you can receive a little discount. So now also keep in mind, there is a limited time that discount code is in effect. So you may want to check this out a little sooner rather than later. And once again, I would highly recommend this. I did take this out to the airport myself, checked it out, put a few things in it, took it, wheeled it around, went up and down an escalator, on the elevator. The wheels are so smooth. I mean, they just glide like silk, and very high quality. I was very impressed by this, and I may be thinking about purchasing another one as well. So check this out if you're interested, and until next time, happy cruising. Oh my gosh, and look at this. The packaging can be used as a cat playhouse. How fun is this? So if you are a cat lover, you have cats or any small little animals, this is a really cool little feature you can play around with after you unpackage your new GoPenguin luggage.